Overpacking your luggage. Packing can make or break your travel experience. It's tempting to throw everything into your suitcase, thinking you'll need it all, but overpacking comes with serious downsides. Heavy bags not only rack up extra fees but also slow you down, especially when you're navigating crowded airports or cobblestone streets. Start by considering the climate, activities, and duration of your trip. Pack versatile clothing that can be layered or mixed and matched, rather than one-off outfits that take up space. Limit yourself to a few pairs of shoes. One for walking, one for dressier occasions, and maybe a pair for leisure or sports. Toiletries are another area to pare down. Most destinations offer basic products so you can leave full-sized bottles at home and use travel-sized containers instead. The secret to packing light is using compression bags or packing cubes. These tools maximize suitcase space and keep your items organized. Rolling clothes instead of folding them reduces wrinkles and creates even more space. If you're unsure about an item, ask yourself, will I use this more than once? If the answer is no, leave it behind. Traveling with lighter luggage frees you to move more easily and enjoy your journey without the burden of excess. Plus, it leaves room for souvenirs, so you can bring back meaningful mementos without worrying about overstuffed bags.